But certainly, you will always wonder, what if, kung ganun, kung may ganun sistema. Pwede siya maglaro ng parang nasa Utah Jazz siya, di ba? Nasa Utah Jazz, ganun yung laro niya. Ano, may role siya, he shoot the ball, nakakashoot naman din siya without him being ball dominant. Yeah, well, um,
Kaya nga dinidream ko pa rin na sana, Coach Tim,
mm,
please, work with Jordan Clarkson this OQT. I love Justin Brownlee. I love Justin
ah,
Brownlee so much. Pero I want to see Jordan Clarkson working under Coach Tim. Gusto ko yun ma-visualize eh. Kumbaga,
no? Nakaka-wonder
nakaka-excite,
na
nakaka-excite.
pwede, no? But
Pwede.
just in case, no? Pwede na mangyari yan kung sakaling maging hindi
Kasi kay Coach
available
Tim,
si, ano?
hindi siya halos magbababa ng bola. May Scottie ka. May Dwight na kayang magbaba. May Chris Newsome na kaya ring magbaba. Kumbaga, hindi naman, for sure naman, hindi yan papagorin ni Coach Tim na, baba ka dyan. Oh, ito, bola. Baba mo, bala ka na. Hindi naman, may sistema nga silang ini-implement eh. For sure, kaya rin ni Jordan Clarkson mag-fill in doon. Kaya nga NBA player yan eh.
Yeah,
Hindi
I mean,
mag-NBA yan ng ganun.
naisip ko nga, Alexander. Yeah, very, parang, o nga, no? Parang pwede. Total, wala pa naman tayong backup. Baka pwede rin siya. But I would stick with Justin Brownlee for now, but because he's working, and I believe he's cheaper as well, and he's more available than Jordan Clarkson. Na yung statement nga ni Tim Cone kay Kai, balang araw si Kai baka kuhanin ng NBA Summer League, baka hindi na makalaro yan dito. So there's a benefit as well for having a good player that's not in the NBA like Justin Brownlee. But certainly, you will always wonder, what if, kung ganun, kung may ganun sistema. Pwede siya maglaro ng parang nasa Utah Jazz siya, 'di ba? Nasa Utah Jazz, ganun yung laro niya. Ano, may role siya, he shoot the ball, nakakashoot naman din siya without him being ball dominant.